Hey, hello, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be drawing a cute little hamburger. So yeah, let's start. Gonna start here, place a point and create a curved line all the way to here. Now come to the top of the bun, round it out on both sides. Okay, and then all the way up in a nice little bow. Go all the way to the other side, like this. And let's try some lettuce. Make a curve here, and then make this wobbly line all the way to the end. A little bit curved, just like the underside of the bun. Just follow that straight line above it, and you'll be fine. End it here. Okay, nice. Now for some cheese. I want to have the cheese hang over the hamburger, so I'm putting a little corner over here. And same thing on this side. And now for the hamburger. Quite easy, just round it out. And again a curved line all the way to the other side. Nice and easy. Another curve and finish the line off like this. Okay, now for some tomatoes. I'm going to put 2 slices underneath the hamburger. I'm gonna start here. It's gonna end here. And now for the other one, let's place them here and put them next to each other. Okay. Now for the top part, like this, to make it look like it's hanging out of the hamburger. Okay. And I think more lettuce. So I'm coming out again, curving up and making that wobbly line again. You don't have to be clean with this. And come back in again. Okay, for the bottom part of the bun, just come down and place a curved line from this side to the other side. Like so. Okay. Going to create the mouth. Let's come up here and make a horizontal line here and then curve down, round it out and come back up again. Place a tongue in the middle, just a curved line. Okay, and now for the eyes. Just 2 circles. And like most of my drawings, 2 little highlights on top. One over here and like this. Nice. Okay. Let's give him some cheeks. This one is full of himself. And now for some seeds sprinkled on top of its head. One over here, one here, and maybe a last one over here. Nice. The only thing left is some detail in the lettuce, I think. It's looking a little bit flat right now. Just making a little indication of some curves and some folds. The bottom one Okay, and I guess we're done. I will paint in the eyes, give him a thicker outline, and we'll be back in 2 seconds. So, this is the final illustration. Please like, it will help me out a lot. If you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye!